How to fix PS5 Error WS-115019-7. Please try the following steps to get PS5 Error WS-115019-7 fixed. First, check on server status for any failure and maintenance information. 1. Reconfigure the internet connection settings on PlayStation 5 and try an internet connection test. 2. Turn off your router and modem, and wait at least 5 minutes before turning it back on. To get the job done, you may refer to the following IMG. Three. Try again later as the line, the app you were trying playing may be temporarily congested,